Jarend! Jarend!
What?
Give me a hand.
With what?
This lady needs an oil change.
What the hell does an old walk over to our house or what? What's up, old lady? What do you need?
I need an oil change.
Well, did you try fucking taking your oil pan off?
God damn it, Jarend. What did I say about using that fucking profanity?
Did you try loosening the bolt in the bottom of your oil pan and let it leak into
Listen
a fucking
here, ma'am.
pan?
This guy is an idiot. Alright, you need an oil change. It's going to be about $25.95. Plus tax, your total comes out to $27.53.
Excuse me, ma'am, but we're not neighbors. We're not acting like neighbors, that's for sure. And
It's
we'll
okay.
do your oil change for free. We're not a business.
Really? Free? Really?
Well, only if you got the coupon. Tricked ya.
The funny thing is, here's a fucking coupon.
Hey, Grandma.
What?
I'm Miss Jones's grandson.
Nice to
Philip
meet you.
Monroe. What's your name? Philip Monroe.
Philip? Philip.
Yeah. Philip? Philip Monroe.
Philip, what's up? I'm Jarend.
Nice to meet you. I am also Jarend.
Oh, nice to meet
Both
you.
named Jarend. Actually, my name is Jarend.
Alright, Jarend. You gonna get started on that car?
Yeah, just give me a fucking wrench so I can loosen the bolt, start leaking the oil down into the pan. Did you get 6 quarts ready?
Here you go.
Alright, drop them in. Alright, ma'am, she should start. Turn her on. Did you help me with that, Philip?
Sounds good to me.
Sounds great.
Here you go, ma'am. Here's your fucking car.
Get the fuck off my property, man.
Now.